Turn left, Cleveland Road. Turn left, Clifton Road, then, after 200 yards, turn left, Wallascott Road.
I suspect they're deep down, aren't they? Ready for parking.
Yeah.
Turn left, Clarence Road North.
Yeah.
Should we go back on for the town centre?
After 300 yards, turn left, Quantock Road. Turn left.
Last time,
What?
wheels been on the sand.
Mm.
So, yeah. That's okay. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it, now, be drinking a minute or no? You're alright, or do you want to go home? Should we go home?
Yeah, let's go home.
We can sit here and watch the water if you want.
No.
If you want 5 minutes, if you want.
I just want to go home.
You want to go home, really?
Yeah. It's your fault for me for trying to get me on the rides.
Did you like it? Didn't you have fun?
Yeah.
You were open
You're
it.
sick.
You got on them.
I'm never going on.
There was a drink down the bottom. There what? Was that Wolsey? Did he spin you a bit fast?
Yeah.
At least you went like last time. You didn't go at the beginning.
After 80 yards, turn right, A370, Beach Road.
What we were on, didn't you?
Turn right, then, after 60 yards, turn left.
But you've got the pockets, so just put this.
Yes, I have
Or should I just keep
pocket.
it there? No, in here in the car ready. Next time, come down. Just keep it there. But then make it flying round. So we've got one ticket before we come down the Coffee Stone. We'll probably be down to Alice. Oh, that Midnight Express, you've been on that before.
What, the exact ride?
Yeah. At Bath Park.
That's cool.
So you must be getting these close because we're from there.
Yeah.
So what is my sat nav saying? 8:48, 37:40, 58.
Because it takes an hour to get home.
Oh yeah.
Because it takes an hour.
I thought it was the time.
No, it's the time we get
I know,
there.
I just
That's the time we
realised
get
that.
there.
But that's the first. Did you know what you said? Coast of Crazy came down. That's I've never seen the video.
What was it?
Coast of Crazy came down to Funland.
Yeah.
From yeah, I just see that. I've seen quite a few come down, but I just haven't got around to doing them.
So what did he say when he?
Well, are you pursuing things out? That's what he said to me straight away. He went, yeah. But, alright, so that's what he said. When he sees you, fast spin, do your spins on the thingy. Don't do no volleyball on the beach. Do you know what? I reckon it's better to come down on a Friday night than a Saturday morning, do you reckon?
Yeah.
But then the only problem is coming down on a Saturday, we buy fish and chips and stuff like that. When we come down we come down on a Friday, you don't tend to buy so much, do you?
Yeah, because it's all shut.
Yeah, but it's not, because it's getting summer back. Funland's open. And you're finding the chip shops are open. You find the chip shops are open now. You obviously don't know, do you? You obviously don't know, so what to do. Yeah, because the chip shops are open now, on the weekday.
After 250 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, Station Road.
But it's busy on a Saturday morning. Saturday morning, so what we do is go on the pier or an amusement park, Funland. So we just walk down to tonight, is it really?
Yeah.
Well, the only things we've done tonight, we just think on the arcades, we're just going to Funland, didn't we? But we can go to...
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
We've got to go to the Weston. So.
Well, it's a Friday night.
Make a U-turn.
Holiday. Yes.
That's the same centre we walked down there last time we came down. Those were the safety got them out of the baptisms and things. All the bloody drunks just sit around.
After 250 yards, go right
Isn't
on
this
the
where you said
roundabout,
the
third
thing comes
exit,
around?
A370,
Well,
Francis
I
Fox
walked
Road.
down here quite a lot.
Where?
Down this road.
You
Like
don't?
a very long time ago.
So you
When I
don't?
go with Grandad and Grandma.
So you walk down this way, you don't get the way I go down.
No.
It's quicker the way I walk down.
Well, no, usually we just don't. No, this is the way the bus goes.
Yeah, but you don't walk down this way, you always get off on the seafront, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just stops. It just ends at the seafront.
Yeah, no, but that's when you normally get on and off the seafront.
Yeah.
So you don't walk down this road, do you?
Well, no, I don't walk down it, but I go
You haven't
down.
been down here for ages.
Well, I've been down on this bit.
You haven't been down here for ages on the bus. I think last time we
Go
came down
right on the
Well,
roundabout,
this, that's how
third
I've been
exit,
here.
A370, Francis Fox Road.
Last time I've been
last
stood
time we
here.
came down on the bus, I came down with you on the bus. That's
Yeah.
last time we came down Weston, that's where we had ours.
Yeah.
A big deal from this coach's park down
Go left on the roundabout, first exit, A370, Hildesheim Bridge. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, Marchfields Way.
A fun fact off the year.
Yeah.
That was.
Yeah.
I can't believe that's been nearly 5 months over. Nearly 6 months. Yeah, because we're 6 months now. 5 months.
Cross the roundabout, second exit, A370.
You're not used to my thing? Or no? Should we love it to run away or no?
Yeah.
After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
Lower to be under.
Keep doing content so she don't get this. I thought it's on telephone.
Cross the roundabout, second exit, Marchfields Way.
For some reason it gives up last names.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're just leaving.
Alright.
We're just on the way back now.
And I feel sick.
Okay.
Yeah. No, we got recognised in the Funland. There was only one in there, but the bloke on the walksters recognised my channel.
Yeah.
He said, he asked me, he said, are you this channel? I went, yeah, and then, because he's always seen the comments.
Oh, cool. That's good then.